I am Judge Nelson Rupp. I am a circuit court judge for Montgomery County. In the upcoming election, the voters will elect 4 circuit court judges. Of the 5 candidates who are on the ballot, 4 of us are currently circuit court judges. These 4 circuit court judges are Judge Gary Baer, Judge Audrey Creighton, Judge Joanne Ryan, and me, Judge Nelson Rupp. We ask for your vote. In order for each of us to be appointed to the circuit court, we each went through an extensive nonpartisan qualification process. Each of us filled out a 32-page application. Each of us went through a grueling screening process by over 12 separate bar associations, including the Maryland State Bar Association, the Montgomery County Bar Association, the Women's Bar Association, the Hispanic Bar Association, the J. Franklin Bourne Bar Association, which is the African American Bar Association, among others. Each of their recommendations was then reviewed by the 13-member Trial Courts Nominating Commission. This is a diverse group of lawyers and non-lawyers. This commission then conducted its own thorough investigation and interview process to evaluate the experience, qualifications, temperament, personal and professional background of each applicant. The Trial Courts Nominating Commission then sent a list of only those who were deemed most highly qualified to the governor. It is the toughest test, personally and professionally, I've ever experienced. This process ensures that someone who is not qualified or is not competent does not slip through and become a judge. In contrast, our challenger has never even attempted to go through this process. He merely paid a $50 filing fee to put his name on the ballot. However, each one of us 4 sitting judges underwent this exhaustive evaluation and was found to be highly qualified to serve you as circuit court judges. This intense process concluded with the governor appointing each of us 4 judges to the circuit court. It has been an honor and a privilege for me to have served the community as a judge for over 20 years. Before my appointment as a judge in 1993, I was a prosecutor for 6 years, a public defender for 3 years, and with a civil litigation firm for 10 years. For the last 15 years, I've also taught at American University Law School. 10 years ago, I designed and founded the Adult Drug Court in the Circuit Court. I have spent countless hours assisting, monitoring, and supervising nonviolent, addicted offenders during our weekly night drug court sessions. This is in addition to handling my regular circuit court assignment. 137 individuals have successfully completed this intense 2-year program. They've successfully overcome their addiction, become gainfully employed, and returned to their families to become contributing members of the community. I, along with Judge Gary Baer, Judge Audrey Creighton, and Judge Joanne Ryan, look forward to continuing to serve you as judges of the circuit court. Montgomery County deserves to have only those deemed most highly qualified serve as its judges on the circuit court. It is a nonpartisan election, and there is nothing on either the Democratic or Republican ballot which distinguishes us 4 sitting judges from our challenger. When you're at the polls, take a sample ballot from one of our volunteers. The 4 of us ask for your vote. Thank you.